In this video, I'm going to talk about Facebook Reels monetization, the 6-step checklist to get your bonus invite. Hi, my name is Rae Vonshae, the marketing queen, and welcome to RAE Nation. Hey, RAE Nation. So, number one, you want to make sure that you're over 18 years of age. That's the number one rule with the Facebook Reels program. You got to make sure you're 18 or over. Number two, you have to make sure that you're in the United States. As of now, as of today, you must be in the United States in order to get paid with the Facebook Reels bonus program. Now, you're able to post Reels everywhere, but getting paid for them, you have to be in the US as of now. Number three, you must make sure that your account is over 30 days old. It doesn't matter if it's a business page or a personal page. It could be either or, because you could get invited on both. But you must make sure that it's been established over 30 days. Next, you must have posted 5 videos in the previous 30 days. Make sure that you've posted 5 new videos in the previous 30 days so that you can move towards getting your invite. The next one, you must get 100,000 views within the last 30 days in order to be invited for the next one. So that means over the past 5 reels that you posted in the last 30 days, you must get over 100,000 views. It doesn't matter how it's accumulated, as long as it's accumulated across the 5 videos that you posted in the last 30 days. So that means if one video got 100,000 views, or if all 5 videos got 20,000 each, it's still 100,000 views in the past 30 days, and that moves you along to getting your invite. Let's go over a few updates that have taken place over the previous months. Now, we all know that Facebook was allowing us to post Reels as long as we use their music. Now, they're not allowing us to post Reels with music at all. A lot of us are getting demonetized. In order to keep from getting demonetized, you want to make sure that you're not using music at all, or that the music is your own music, or you have the rights to be able to use the music, or it's copyright-free music. Facebook is having a problem with the music labels at this point. We don't know what the problem is. We don't know what's going on, but there's some kind of discrepancy to where we're getting copyright claims on our videos. So in order to keep from getting a claim, you don't want to hinder your invite by using music. Even though we know that Facebook is providing the music, you don't want to hinder it. So either use your own voice in the videos, use copyright-free music, don't use music at all, or make sure it's your music. One or the other. You can do voiceovers. Voiceovers are fine as long as it's your voice. You want to make sure that you're using original content. And as long as the content is yours, there's a such thing as repurposing content, guys, and you're able to take your videos from other platforms and share them on Facebook, but you cannot use the videos with watermarks on them. You can't use an Instagram video with an Instagram watermark. You can't use a TikTok video with a TikTok watermark. You got to make sure that you're removing the watermarks off your videos, especially from TikTok, because that's what most people use when they're bringing the videos over. So use SnapTalk, use SnapTik, use TikTok Downloader. Any one of those apps are just fine. All you have to do is run your video through there and then upload it, because you don't want the watermark on it. Guys, if you're still paying attention right now, type in watermark, just so I know that you listened to this point. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing different little games between my videos so I can make sure who's watching to what point of the video. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos, and share this video with somebody who may not know what the requirements are so that they can get invited too. It's enough money out here for everybody, guys. We have so many different programs where we can get paid, making money on the internet, turning our content into profits. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and you'll see other videos that relate that you can watch after you finish this video. Now let's get back into it. Guys, make sure if you're doing reaction videos that your reaction video is enough original content to make the video yours. So basically, you can't just sit there, play somebody else's video and look at it and smile. That's not enough actual content to make the video yours. So sometimes Facebook will demonetize you or won't invite you because of the type of content that you already have. So make sure that when you put up content, if you're doing reactions, make sure you actually give a reaction in the video. You can't just sit there, look at somebody else's video and then that's not gonna work. You got to actually make it into something to make it yours. So It's not fair for other people to produce content and someone else to just get the content and be able to just post a video with them looking at the video and get paid for it. So Facebook is trying to make sure that you're actually doing something to make the video come alive. So that's what they're looking for, guys. This is all I'm telling you. These are things that you want to do in order to get your monetization. Some people are wondering why they aren't getting invited. These are some of the things that need to be in place in order to get your invite. So make sure you're doing all of these. Make sure you check off everything on the list, and make sure that once you check off everything, you're in a position to get notified to get your invite. Guys, have a great one. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below. Tell me what you liked about the video. Let me know if you have any more questions about any type of online marketing. Click the link in the description if you want to attend my free webinar about turning your content into profit. There's so much money on here, guys. We have to be in position to win. So have a great one, everyone. Bye, Rae Nation.